Good morning, children. Today we are going to do few activities. This is the activity time. Be ready. Start with your pencil and notebook. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion, ginger, etc. आपने ये एक्टिविटी घर पर करनी है अपने मम्मा से पूछ के, पापा से पूछ के कि आप घर में एक बार में ये जो चीज़ें दी हुई हैं कितनी कितनी लाते हैं. यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन बिलो द कॉलम नेम ऑफ थिंग्स. पापा मम्मा से पूछेंगे कितनी लाते हैं और उन्हें हाउ मच बॉट के नीचे लिखना है. जैसे फर्स्ट वन इज़ राइस. वी विल राइट लाइक दिस. जस्ट से हाउ वी विल राइट. Rice. Number one is rice. First one is rice. We'll write rice. You'll ask your mama or papa how much rice you buy at a time. Whatever he says, note it here. I will write how much we buy at a time. So we will write 25 kgs. 25 kg. Okay. Then next is oil. Then we will write oil. O-I-L. Oil. We purchase 5 kgs. You ask your mama how much oil you buy at a time. Whatever she says, write it where I have written 5 kg. Okay. Then chili powder. You can write 250 grams because we don't take chili. मिर्ची जिसे कहते हैं, मिर्ची का पाउडर, वो हम ज़्यादा नहीं खाते हैं, इसलिए वो ग्राम्स में ले आएंगे. ठीक है. देन शुगर, चीनी, शुगर 1 kg or 2 kg or 3 kg. We purchase only 1 kg because we take less sugar. Milk. How much milk you buy per day, you can write because हर दिन हम मिल्क सुबह सुबह लेके आते हैं, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 4 kgs. How much you ask your mama how much milk you purchase per day, then you can write also. But milk we don't purchase in kgs, it is in liters. But you can write liters, L instead. You can write oil also in liters. You can write liter instead of kg. Okay. Then onion 2 kgs. इकट्ठे ही ले आते हैं 2-3 दिनों के लिए. After this ginger 250 grams. Okay children. Once again, rice 25 kgs, oil 5 liter, then chili powder 250 grams, sugar 1 kg. You can write 2, 3, 4 kg जितना भी आपकी मम्मा आपको कहेंगे. Milk 2 liter, onion 2 kgs, ginger 250 grams. This is what activity you have to do today. You have to ask your parents about this and then you will note it down in your notebooks. Then now we will move to another page. This is another activity. Guess their weights and match. Look at the things given, pictures given. Briefcase, cow, a sack filled with something, puppy, elephant, a mango, small mango. This is a briefcase. Just I'm going to take the things, look at it. This is a briefcase, cow, sack, puppy, elephant, and this is a mango. Okay, children. Now you have to match these with their weights. This is, first of all, I will just slide it. 10 kgs. We'll guess first of all 10 kgs. इनमें से 10 kgs weight किसका हो सकता है? I think it should be of puppy. 400 kilograms. Cow, less than 1 kg. That is a mango. More than 1000 kgs. Elephant. My God, elephant. 80 kgs. Sack filled with rice. 2 kgs. This briefcase. You can match it in your notebooks. Take out your notebooks and draw these things, match them. Also match it in your books. Now second question for it is, guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kg and which will weigh less than 1 kg. First is, one is your bag, school bag. It is more than 1 kg. So we will write more than 1 kg. Geometry box, it is less than 1 kg. A brick, it is more than 1 kg. A big pumpkin, it is also more than 1 kg. 1 किलो से ज़्यादा है pumpkin भी, brick भी. brick होती है एक ईंट. Your pair of slippers or shoes, less than 1 किलो से कम होगी ये. This is your second and third activity. Today, these 3 activities will be done by you in your notebooks. Answer key will be sent afterwards. You start with your work. You start asking your parents about the things they buy or purchase one time. Okay, find out from your parents how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onion, ginger, etc. Start with this activity. Goodbye and have a great day.